you still got it, baby. You still popping. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. My name is Esther and I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from having some bundles to this amazingly created lace frontal wig. If you'd like to see how I achieved this or how this was made, please stick around. I will show you just that.
Share with me what's on your mind. Maybe you don't need me. I don't want it if it's easy. It feels like we have so little time. You'd be surprised at what I've seen and how every night used to be. I was lonely, times it was painful. I asked love for an angel, and it sent me something much better. Now you're right by my side. I just wanna feed your heart with love. I'm still yours, you're still mine. Even though we could be dangerous, the drive is in my body and it's hitting us. Ashes, ashes, dust to dust. So I gotta let you know what I've been thinking. I was lonely, times it was painful. I asked love for an angel, and it sent me something much better. Now you're right by my side. Differences. Tell me, is it fair to our relationship? If you wanted to, you could tear me to pieces, and I don't mind. What I want from you is to get off your ass and spend some time.
Bundles of hair from Peerless Hair. I have known Peerless for the longest time now. I think I've known them from when I first started doing YouTube videos and when I first started doing hair reviews. They were one of the first companies that I reviewed on my channel, and you guys can click the cards and that will take you directly to those videos where I have reviewed Peerless bundles. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, heck yes. It would be quite interesting to see what their quality was like then and how it matches up to present day. I've heard many people talking about them and asking me what I still think of Peerless Hair. I think people have asked me less and less in the past couple of years, of course, because I don't even know where that wig is. But I agreed because I wanted to see what their quality is still like. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So I am wearing their Peruvian straight, and back in the day I reviewed their Peruvian body wave. So this is their Peruvian straight, and I've got 4 bundles and a lace frontal. So from Peerless I did order 3 bundles of 24-inch and an 18-inch lace frontal up in the front here. But all that was used was 2.5 bundles. So I did have 3 bundles, but we only used 2.5 bundles to make this wig. Now if you guys can see, this is actually quite thick for 2.5 bundles. This is actually really, really thick. So that's one half of my hair, and of course this is the other half of my hair. And even feeling it as well, it feels really thick, and that reminds me of what my old wig from Peerless was like. I remember the hair being really thick and full and voluminous as well, and when I curled it, it was even fuller because it was obviously body wave bundles. So this again is really, really thick. I did use their Peruvian straight as well. I do remember it being really good quality, but I believe I may have cut it, and I don't know where that wig is. Cut it into a bob. I'm not sure where that wig is now. It actually grew legs and it just went walkies. The hair on that wig was impeccable. I did actually purchase it for several people when I was making wigs way back in the day. So I did recommend those bundles of hair to people when I was obviously taking clients and making wigs for people. This hair, you guys, seriously, hand on heart, this hair is still what it used to be. Like, Monique, she actually mentioned, she was like, yo, this hair's actually really good. She didn't have to put any product in it to straighten it. We did spray it with some hairspray up at the top here just to help the flyaways, but again, there weren't that many flyaways. That's 4 long strands. She did use hairspray on that. The wig was made by Monique Charles, and she's based in London. She's based in West London, and she made this wig for me. Obviously, you guys saw that at the beginning of the video, but I can't stress this enough. Like, I am absolutely loving this hair. Like, it just, if you guys can see that. Can you guys see how that's moving? Look at that. This hair is bomb. When I was coming home and the wind was in my hair, I was like, what, really? This hair is so soft and it's so sleek. It's just perfect. I literally don't want to take this wig off. It's such good hair, and I'm so happy to know that Peerless, they still hold that really good reputation that they did from before. So of course, when I did try their hair a few years ago, I didn't use a frontal, I did use a closure. I was told by Monique, obviously Monique was the one who made this wig, Monique Charles, thank you so much. I'll leave her details in the description box below. But she did mention that the frontal was really, really dense, and she had to do a lot of customization to it. When a frontal is dense, it means the hairline is very thick. She did suggest that it's better when the hairline of frontal kind of fades in, so when it's pre-customized. Of course, you have to do some more customization to it to match your hairline and tint it and all that kind of stuff to match your skin tone. But she did mention that it was quite thick, the hairline of this frontal, so I guess that's one thing that I should mention as well. On that part, I highly recommend Peerless. I still highly recommend Peerless. So if you guys are still looking for some straight hair, or you're still wondering if Peerless is where you should go to, I can definitely say yes, because this, I don't even want to be touching it too much. I wish I could, like, wish there was like touch-a-gram where you guys can just reach in and have a feel of my hair. But I can't stress enough as to how much this hair is amazing. Like, it's so good. The wig was made by Monique Charles, and I did share this in the beginning of this video. So if you want to find out where she's based, you want to get in touch with her, check the description box below. I'll leave her contact details there, as well as her social media, so you guys can obviously check that out. I can't stress enough how much I love this hair. But that is everything, guys. I'm proud to say that Peerless, they still hold a great reputation in my mind. If you guys are interested in some Peruvian straight hair from Peerless, check the description box below, and all the details are going to be there for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.